Hey, what's up guys? So I came across a video the other day, and this video is by someone who normally gives advice, and this person said a job or working for somebody is a roadblock to where you want to be in life. And let me repeat that. They said a job or working for somebody is a roadblock for where you want to be in life. Now, what I want to do with this video, guys, is that I just want to give my opinion on why I think that a job or working for somebody is actually one of the best things you can do on your path to success, man. The first thing is experience, okay? That job that people are saying or will tell you that is a roadblock is the same job that is going to teach you new things while paying you for it, okay? And guess what? The more you learn, the more your value is increasing. I've said this before on the channel, and you know, your value increasing means that you ultimately will be able to earn more money. Whether it's in your current job or your next job, you are making yourself more valuable, you're making yourself worth more, so you are able to negotiate more pay. And you're getting paid while building the value, man. The second thing about working for someone or having a job is that, you know, usually you have a set schedule or you know, expected amount of hours to work, right? Let's say you're set to work 9 to 5 Monday to Friday, just as an example, right? That's your schedule. You know that outside of that 9 to 5 Monday to Friday, okay, that is your time to do whatever you want. So whatever you want could be, guess what, your own side business, and right away, right there, bam, you have a second source of income that you can easily manage around a job that is already paying you. Now, ask anyone who's on the path to success, man. They'll tell you that multiple sources of income is the key, and with the job, it is so easy to just manage a side business around that. Now, guys, this applies to me. You know, I actually have triple sources of income, and that's because I have 2 side hustles. They're nothing big individually, but add this up together with my main job plus the 2 side hustles, and I have a decent source of income. I can, you know, I can pay all the bills I have to pay. I can afford my car. I can afford parts for my car. I can do a lot of things. And you know, I'm very flexible because I'm working for someone as well, or I have a job. Now guys, the other thing about having a job or working for somebody is that you have a guaranteed or steady amount of income, okay? And this is good because a lot of things you apply for in life, okay, whether it's like a house or a loan or something, okay, they always want to see a history of income, and not just income. Usually they want a steady stream of income. Now, the reason I wanted to share this with you all is because, you know, my situation is I have a job, okay, I have side hustles that I'm able to stack on top, you know, my main job as far as income. And if you guys have been following my story, okay, on YouTube since the beginning, you know, you'll see that the things that I've said that I was going to buy so far, or the things I said that I was going to accomplish so far, you know, I've done it, all right? I've done it. For those of you who are working a job right now and you may be thinking that you're stuck or it's a roadblock right now, it's not a roadblock, man. It's a stepping stone. I believe at the end of the day, it's all about how you use it, man. I've showed you guys how I'm using it. You know, you can take example or don't. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section, man. You guys know I read all the comments. Hopefully, you know, I see 2 different opinions aside of this, you know, so we can probably have a discussion on this, man. But that is going to be it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.